So today we're at 552 Maple Street. I'm going to show you this one bedroom with utilities included and appliances included. You're going to come in through your side entrance, up this way, and it's going to lead you right to this side entrance so you can gain access to the one bedroom. Let's go inside and take a look at this apartment. Here we are today at 552 Maple Street. This is a one bedroom apartment. Utilities are included. Appliances come with the apartment. Let's take a look at the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom. You've got your two windows for that extra sunlight, for the AC in the hot summer weather. You've got your closet, deep size closet. And I'm going to show you the living room next. So here we are in the living room. Plenty of space for your couch, your coffee table, your end tables. And now I'm going to take you into the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen. You've got your white countertops, white cabinets. We've got your stove for cooking. Got your refrigerator. And we've got this neat little feature right here for extra storage for your kitchen. Let's look at the bathroom. We're in the bathroom. You've got your toilet. You've got your vanity. You've got your sink and extra storage. And then your stand-up shower. So if you're interested in looking at this one-bedroom apartment located at 552 Maple Street in Fall River, utilities included, appliances included, schedule your showing today. We show it pretty much every day of the week. Go to rentinfallriver.com, and I'll see you all here.